What's up, guys? Day 2, the 240 build. We're over at our shop. We're gonna be doing brakes today. Got the brake lines. There we go. We got it over at the lift right now. There's only one problem. Because of the rust, the lift points are sorta not exactly existing. We'll manage. We'll see how we're gonna lift it. What you see behind me is our boy's Camaro. Yeah. He tracked this a bit, did some nice stuff. He used to have a full lip kit, canards over there, some side skirts. He had a massive wing, but since the winter came up, he had to get rid of all that. You can see she's a bit dirty, just a little dirty. Yeah, just a little bit. But she got a nice bore leg exhaust, super loud. He wants us to do something with his air filter. We gotta check it out later. So we're gonna get this on the lift, see how it goes. We'll do a little time lapse for you, and go on from there. Okay, guys, it's up there. It got up there. It's not on the floor. Why we were so nervous? It's because of this. See that? That does not look healthy. I have a feeling that there was some battery. The battery is right above. That's where the battery sits.
The battery tray is right there, yeah.
I believe that there was some sort of damage to that battery, and it corroded and melted and ate away. Very important. You can see this side, there's some rust too, but all this is supposed to be here where that hole is. So that's the main issue on this car. Project car is a project car. So get this done.
It's intact. Other than the balls of this. See, look, these fuel lines we're gonna have to replace. Where the fuel pump goes. Fuel pump is up there. Here's a fuel line. See them? We're gonna replace these.
So we got some fuel lines to do, brake lines. We gotta remove the gas tank. Get that out of the way. The gas does not smell right.
New calipers.
Oh yeah.
From last week.
Last week's project. We're gonna see about these lines here. I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah.
We're gonna start taking out the old lines. We gotta throw some PB though, cause as you can tell, these shits is rusted. The new copper nickel lines. We already started a flare just to see how it would come out.
Alright, so we ran into an issue. A lot of this shit is rusted. You cannot get the flares out. Trying to clean it and PB blasted beforehand. We can't even get the wrench around the nut because of the rust that's built up. See, this side is like pretty much stripped. You can see we got one flare nut off. There's the new one. Yep. So we're stuck right here. But we'll get the job done. Cleaning it out.
I'm gonna try to do the bottom one.
All right, we got the one part of the brake line off. This is the rest of the new parts. Flexible brake hoses for that one. But
Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Later, bitch.
Hold that. Nice.
There it is, boys.
Textile.
Hit it. Textile.
How you doing?
And it's built in stages, right? So right now we're going to do support, make sure everything is right. Then we're going to finish up the break.
We were able to take some of the wires out. As you can see, some of these got kinked and broke off, but that's fine since we're replacing them. You got to take these clips off in order to take these as well as the hoses off. We took off the brake shoe on this side, which is pretty easy. All of this is going to be replaced and restored, but we're having trouble on this side to take it out. But we were able to take these hoses off.
I don't think it's that. There's some light on this shoe. What's the light? I don't think it's the light. I don't think it's that. It's rusted in.
We thought it was this hose.
See, it was nice and wet already. Put light on it. Oh, that too. Take a look at it.
Oh, they merged with this, right?
Yeah. But it was that. It was right that edge. You see the edge? You're going to clean it with a brush right now. Hold in the back. Hold the pin in the back. That's alright. Good deal. Pull the pins out. But down here, it has to change. Here we have to build something so it can be lower control arm, an A shape, an 8 arm. Something like this to give it more strength. If you want 250. Once you go past that,
Talking a different type of frame now?
then we have to create a whole different frame.